Okay, so it explained in the book that, oh, it actually explains right here that for a credit card company, your interest right here is calculated based on your average daily balance. You guys know how you find the average. You take whatever things that you're averaging, you add them all up and you divide by how many there are. So we got to take the balance, the 30, it's a 30-day billing cycle. So we're going to have at the 30 for 30 days, what is my balance? Well, you could make a list of 1 through 30 and write your balance down on each one of them, but I am a little bit lazier than that. It says that we start off with this is my balance, $1,792. So on day one, that's my balance. On day two, day three, day four, day five, day six, day seven, day eight, that's still my balance. So I have 8 days. There's 8 days right there where that's my balance. Then what happened? This is my balance. Then what happened on day nine? On day nine, I made a purchase, $345.86. So my balance that I did have, I have to add that $345.86. Now I have a new balance, and that's balance stays $2,138.05 for day 9, day 10, day 11, day 12, day 13, day 14. And then what happens? How many days is that? I believe that was 6 days. So for 6 days, it stayed that. Then on day 15, I made a payment. So I take away $500. So my balance is down to $1,638. But it's just that balance for one day because I am thinking, oh, I made a payment, so I can use my credit card again. Worst idea ever. So I'm going make another payment, add the 246 charge that I have back to my balance, and now I have a balance of $1,884.76, and I carry that for the rest of the month. So day 16 through day 30, that's a total of 15 days. So add these up, that's my 30 days. Add, I'm not just adding those up, I'm having this amount for 8 days, this amount for 6 days, this amount for one day, this amount for 15 days. You add all of those up and you get 5,000. No, this big number. Okay, so I did 1,792.19 times 8. This number times 6, this number times 1, this number times 15, and then I added all those up. That number is going to be divided by 30 to get an average daily balance of $1,902.51. So that's my average daily balance. So they're going to use that number right there to calculate how much interest I have to pay. So here's my interest formula. Interest equals principal times rate times time. So my principal in this case is my average daily balance times my rate, 0.1699, times my time, and that's for 30 days out of those 360. That must be the one I think that gave me a decimal. Gave me a fraction, a repeated decimal. Do that multiplication, and you get $26.94. So I have to now pay the credit card company $26.94 for the use of the card. So my new balance when I get my statement is going to be, where did it leave off? My last balance was this number right here. So that's where my last daily balance was. Now I've got to add that $26.94 because they're charging me interest. So when I get my credit card statement, it's going to say that I owe $1,911.70. If I don't teach you guys anything else, please, please, please learn to never carry a balance on a credit card. Find some other way if at all possible. I know I did it for years and years and years. I carried a balance on my credit card and it took me forever to get them paid off. I will never, ever, ever carry a balance. I do use credit cards, I use them every month, but at the end of the month, whatever it says I owe, that's what I pay.